So the By Vilain Night Fiber is being re-released. It's coming back. I have no idea really where it went, but, evidently it pulled a Forrest Gump on us and decided it was coming back.
I'm pretty tired. Think I'll go home now.
Yep, this for sure is coming back. It's actually here already, and as usual, I have all the details for you right here in an all-new review, and here we go. Alright, so before we start today, I want to mention my wardrobe here was provided by Trendy Butler. This is an unpaid feature. They sent me over a box handpicked by their stylist over there, and as you know, I'm a big fan of this service. They allow me to kind of branch out, get out of my usual t-shirt attire and into something a little different here for my videos. They even help me, like this for example, they help me discover new items that I may not have chosen to pick in a store, may not have given a chance, so it kind of helps me to get out of my comfort zone a little bit, and I definitely enjoy it. So if you'd like to check them out, I do have a link and a discount for you guys there in the description if you're interested. Today though, we are here to talk about the Night Fiber, and if you're up to snuff on your By Vilain history, then you know that there has been a few fibers that have floated around the By Vilain line in the past. We had first the black fiber, I believe, from Black Friday, a couple years back, and then the Night Fiber quickly followed that, which was kind of something that slowly disappeared. I mean, I don't even really know what happened to it. It just kind of stepped back into the shadows, if you will, and we just stopped hearing about it. I don't even know if it's went away fully. I don't know if they stopped making it or if it just kind of disappeared. It was weird. I mean, now that I'm thinking about it, it could have still been there this whole time, just like some weirdo hanging out in the corner watching everyone do their thing, and then one day it decided it was going to plot this major return with a new label and just jump right back into our faces, and that's what we have here. And I can tell you, this is a limited edition. It's a limited edition, but it's the same formula as the previous Night Fiber. So I have looked at this in the past with you guys, and we already know what to expect from that video, so this is not going to be very thorough because I've already gone over this stuff. I've already reviewed it, so we already know pretty much everything about this product, but because there's only 1,000 of these made, and I think they're going to go very quickly, I thought that I would just give a refresher a little quick refresher review on this. So let's take a closer look here and just run this stuff through the lettuce. What we have here is the refreshed and relaunched Night Fiber from By Vilain. And what this is a fiber wax. I know, I'm pretty surprised myself at the fact that it is in fact a fiber wax, but it offers a medium hold and a smooth finish, which actually last time it was labeled a strong hold, I believe, so that is an update that I want to report. And it's also fully water soluble like the clones of the past, but this time it features a label clearly written by Captain Obvious. Inside the jar on this one, we're met with another surprise. This one's even bigger. Get this, it's got fibers. It's a fiber wax with fibers. I know, I almost had a stroke myself, but yes, we got fibers here, which is good because we got no room for fake fibers in this club. And just as expected, it's also nice and smooth in the hand with not too much stickiness here really. And when it breaks down, you can clearly see that gleam going on there too, which means you don't have to be a psychic to see how this is going to go down when we start to style with it. Speaking of styling, let's just jump into it with some dry hair here and some fiber action and see how this performs. And once again, we really know how this is going to go, not because we've seen the product before, we have, but that breakdown practically called us on the phone and told us what it was going to do in the application. This is clearly one of those products where everything can be seen within that breakdown. It's way more slick than it is sticky. It's really lightweight. It's for sure on the lighter end of medium for me, and I'm glad that they made that adjustment there from strong to medium because I can really see that here. And for that finish, it is a bit shinier right in the beginning there, but it does sort of settle in and become more natural soon after. In the end though, we are lacking a bit of hold and volume, but I think I'm still able to get something decent as far as styles go. Now really, the rest is pretty much standard. It washes out very easily, nothing too different there than what we had last time. It rinses out for me with water, so again, it's very easy. If that gleam is still present there, I just hit it with shampoo and it's gone. If I'm not mistaken, it's also got the same scent, that light minty fragrance. It's very lightweight. When you put it in your hair, I don't even smell it at all. It's pretty easy, and again, I think that's the same. So honestly, pretty much everything we see here is again the same, which isn't a bad thing if you're a fan of the Night Fiber. For me though, I do think this has decent styling ability, decent hold. I do think it's a good thing that they updated it from strong to medium, because I think that is accurate. I do think it's very accurate, but it is an easy styler too, and you can easily just throw it in your hair, move it around, get something really lightweight, something messy, something lazy even, for like one of those days where you just want to throw it up, get it out of your face, kind of set it and forget it. I think this would work really well for that. For other styles, I do think it works well with a pre-styler, not as a pre-styler. It's got a bit too much shine for pre-styling in my opinion, but I did test this out with the Sidekick spray and I think it works nicely alongside it. You know, throw some in, blow dry with the Sidekick, and then add this in as a post-styler. I think it works really nicely alongside it. It kind of gives you that boost and hold that maybe you didn't get with it by itself, give you a little extra endurance, a little more styling options. You can use the comb to tighten it up, maybe clean up the style, or again, you can mess it up, and you can do a wide variety of things with this product, even with the medium hold that it offers. I think that's pretty much it for my thoughts though. For those that are wondering why I'm not going through the endurance and everything like that, this is a limited. That's pretty much why I'm not doing that, and I think it's going to sell out very quickly, so I really don't see the point in putting in a ton of effort making a whole long video about it. There are only 1,000 made, and they are available today, by the way, so some of them probably are already gone by the time you're watching this video. The last time By Vilain put out a limited, they sold out extremely quick. I couldn't believe how fast they sold out, so get it while you can is pretty much the name of the game here. And if you are interested in checking out the limited edition Night Fiber, I will put a link in the description there, and as always, you are able to use my channel's code. It's MMTV. It's pretty easy. It's just MMTV. Put it in the coupon box. It will save you some money over at Slikhaar Shop if you're interested. I am told also that if you sign up for their newsletter, you can get early access to this product and other products in the future, so that might be something that you're interested in doing, so you can get some perks like that. I do hope you enjoyed looking over this product with me here. If you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I thank you very much in advance for that, and I also thank you very much for checking out this video today and stopping by the channel. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.